When it comes to debt collections, the United Kingdom is a bit of a different beast than the United States. With a more complicated court system and a wide variety of debt collection procedures, it can be tough to know where to start. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this article, we'll walk you through all you need to know about debt collections in the United Kingdom. From understanding the amicable debt collection procedure to taking legal action, we've got you covered. We'll also give you some tips on how to find the best UK debt collection agency for your needs. So whether you're a creditor looking to recover debts or a small business looking for protection against unpaid invoices, read on for all the information you need. Introduction to UK debt collection procedures. When it comes to debt collection, the United Kingdom has a well-oiled machine. The procedures are straightforward and the courts are quick to act. This guide will give you all the information you need to get started. We'll cover the steps for legal debt collections, as well as the benefits of using a local UK debt collection agency. For those of you seeking to recover unpaid invoices, it is important to understand the UK debt collection process and the procedures involved. Under the Consumer Credit Act, there are specific steps you must take before initiating court proceedings. The first step is to contact the debtor directly and make it clear that you are expecting full payment of the debt. If this does not work, you must then issue a statutory demand via a solicitor. The solicitor should also provide advice on other legal options available to you. If the statutory demand is ignored or rejected, then you can proceed to the Small Claims Court. This is the court where most debt collection cases are heard in the UK. The court fees are quite low and the court has a straightforward procedure. Once the court has issued a judgment, you have a number of options available to you in order to recover the debt. These include taking enforcement actions such as asking the court bailiffs to seize the debtor's goods or obtaining an attachment of earnings order to take money directly from their wages. You are also able to take action to recover unpaid goods or services and ask the court to impose a charging order on the debtor as property. Before taking legal action, you may also want to consider the services of a UK debt collection agency. These agencies are usually able to offer a quick and cost-effective way of recovering the debt. They have access to a range of debt collection strategies which are tailored to the particular situation. This can range from issuing payment reminders to sending letters of intent and even court action. In some cases, the debt collection agency may even take over the entire collection process for you. We'll also take a brief look at the court system in the UK for commercial debt cases, and finish up with some interesting facts about the economy of the United Kingdom. Advantages of hiring a local UK debt collection agency. When it comes to debt collection, don't go it alone. Debt collectors are a necessary part of the process, and hiring a local UK debt collection agency can provide several advantages for your business. Some benefits of using a local UK debt collection agency include: expertise. A good debt collection agency will have extensive knowledge of the UK legal system and how to navigate it efficiently. This knowledge can be critical in getting your money back as quickly as possible. Connections. A good debt collection agency will also have strong connections with local courts, businesses, and other organizations that can help expedite the debt collection process. Fast results. By working with a local debt collection agency, you can often see results much faster than if you were to try to collect the debt yourself. Savings. Hiring a local debt collection agency can actually save you money in the long run, as they will often work for a commission rather than an hourly rate. If you're looking for a reliable and experienced debt collector, it's definitely worth considering working with a local UK debt collection agency. Understanding the process of collecting a business debt in the UK. When it comes to the process of collecting a business debt in the United Kingdom, it's important to understand the various steps that are involved. Here is a brief overview of the process. First, you need to determine if the debt is legally recoverable. Check whether or not the debtor is located in the UK, and whether or not the contract or agreement was made in the UK. If the debt is legally recoverable, you then need to send the debtor a formal letter of demand, outlining the amount of money that is owed and specifying a payment deadline. If payment is not received within the specified time frame, you can then commence legal proceedings against the debtor. This will involve taking them to court in order to obtain a judgment. If payment is still not received after obtaining a judgment from court, you can then take enforcement action against the debtor. This could involve seizing assets, freezing bank accounts, etc. Please note that in certain cases, you may be able to transfer the debt to our third-party debt collection agency instead of going through the court system. This is done using a debt purchase agreement, in which you sell the debt for a discounted fee to the debt collection agency, allowing them to pursue the debtor for repayment. Finally, it is important to understand your rights and obligations under the Consumer Credit Act 1974, to ensure that you are compliant with UK legislation when collecting and recovering debts. This includes the right to use a debt collection agency, as well as your obligation to ensure that any debt collection methods used are fair and transparent. Exploring the UK court system for commercial debt cases. In the UK, commercial debt cases are tried by different courts depending on the amount of money at stake. If the debt is very small, typically less than 5,000 GBP, the claim is usually made in a county court where the case will be heard by a judge. If a consumer is unhappy with the services of a financial institution, then they should approach the Financial Ombudsman Service for a resolution. The Financial Ombudsman Service has a number of remedies available to them, including ordering the relevant business to make a financial adjustment or refund. Furthermore, they can also issue legally binding decisions which must be complied with. If the debt at stake is more substantial and the debtor refuses to pay, then a creditor may also pursue a receivership order. This is an order made by a court which directs the receivers of a company to dispose of the company's assets to repay creditors. It's important to note that the funds from a receivership order will be distributed in strict order of priority determined by the court. For larger debts, creditors may also take out debt recovery insurance, which will provide legal assistance and support when attempting to reclaim money owed. This can be very useful in cases where the debtor is not willing to cooperate or repay the debt. Furthermore, a creditor may also consider the services of a debt collection agency. As the name suggests, a debt collection agency is a firm that specializes in recovering debts on behalf of creditors. They will usually attempt to reach an agreement with the debtor to repay the debt in full or part, and if that fails, they will refer the case to court. Remember that if you do choose to take your case to court, you'll need to provide evidence of the debt. This could mean providing copies of emails, invoices, and contracts that prove that an agreement has been made and money is owed. By partnering with Intercol's Commercial Debt Collection Agency, you can rest assured knowing that our expert team of multilingual debt collectors has your back and is determined to help you get back what's owed to you. If you're looking for a reliable and experienced debt collection agency, then you can't go wrong with Intercol. With over 25 years of experience in the industry, we know how to recover debts quickly and efficiently. We offer a wide range of services to help businesses of all sizes, and we have a high success rate worldwide. So if you're struggling to recover unpaid debts, then get in touch with Intercol today and let us help you get back on track.